Better than new. No Mello Roos. This contemporary urban lifestyle community built by Taylor Morrison in the year 2020. This stunning home is nestled in the center of the community with pool and greenbelt view. 4 bedrooms, 2 of which are primary suites. Real wood doors for better sound insulation, real walnut with durable flooring throughout the stairs for easy maintenance, a gourmet kitchen with Waterfall Island, upgraded electric remote control curtains, and designer chandeliers Dixon. A complete set of Nest smart home systems.